Need to send money to a friend or split a bill? Chase QuickPay with Zelle lets you send cash directly from your Chase account to almost anyone in the US in minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In your Chase mobile app or online account, navigate to Pay and Transfer, and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll your email or US mobile number. To send money, just choose a contact from your phone or enter their registered email, mobile number, enter the amount, add an optional note, and hit send. The recipient gets a notification to collect the funds. My crucial pro tip: treat it like sending cash. Once you send money to an enrolled person, it can't be cancelled. Only use Zelle with people you know and trust, like friends or family. Double check the recipient's information before you hit send. Sending to the wrong email or number is like handing cash to the wrong person. Send and receive money instantly, without needing cash or checks. What's the most common reason you use Zelle? Rent, dinners, or something else? For more guides on modern money movement, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.